Murano. If you need to replace an air filter, engine air filter, we got a part number here. This is made by Napa Gold 6116. If you look at it upside down, 9119. Alright, anyways, no tools required, guys. So what you're gonna do is simply, I'm gonna need two hands, so I'm gonna start off with one hand, then I'm gonna mount my camera up on the top. One finger job here. You pop this and you pop. Oh, this was already open. I guess that was the previous person that worked on it. Right in here you have a filter. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mount up my camera so we can see it nice and clear. There. So here's the filter. You simply slide it right through this hole. If you need to vacuum in there, if you see leaves in there, but this one there's nothing in there, vacuum it. Don't blow air in it because you got MAF sensor right there. That will get dirty. You'll have trouble. So here's our new filter. Alright, so this is the top side and this is the bottom. But you can put it in any direction, okay? You can put it this way or that way. Just don't try to put it this way. It won't even fit. Good luck to you if you try that. But anyway, you take this filter, simply slide it in there and make sure it sits nicely. And in the back you got two little arms that sticks in there. You're not gonna be able to see that, but as long as you get those in there, the rest should be a piece of cake. Let me see if I can get those two, but let's take a look at this filter. Pretty dirty. There you go. All right, so it's all a matter of me lining the back little arms, and once I have those aligned, I should be able to clip this in and clip that in, and that's it. I gotta pop that back in. It popped out. Let me get that back in there one more time. There you go. All right, so that's it. That's how you're gonna change your filter. You gotta clip in, clip there. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. If you need to change your filter, there you have it.